We should never complain to the people. This person is doing this person is bad, he did this. No, never complain. Why? Because whatever is happening with the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So always think like this, that this person is not troubling me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made him trouble me. Because whatever is happening with the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So try to please Allah. If we will please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so there will be no one to trouble. Normally what happens? We complain about the people. Wife complains about the husband. He's not good. Husband complains about the wife. She is not good. Don't complain. Just feel that we should try to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy. In return, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give happiness in our relations. So it's so easy.